Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Comparing two lists using VLOOKUP. If you have two lists of data and you want to compare them and find if the values in subject 2 or in subject 1 or not, we can use VLOOKUP for this. Going to the Formula tab, Insert function, we'll select VLOOKUP and click on OK will give up the dialog box. The lookup value we want to see is B4. We want to see if this is in column A. Now we select the first column data only. We want to check if this is present, so we do only that column. And hence we have only one column, so the column index number will be 1. The range lookup will be false to find the presence of an exact match. We'll click OK. This will look for B4 in A4 to A11. Now if we drag the formula down, we can see that there is NA appears after the number wherever it is not found in subject 1. 1004 is not there in subject 1. In those cases, it is giving us NA. Instead of having NA here, we can use the formula if error to written a different text instead of NA. We type in if error, open brackets, and the value is VLOOKUP value, and then we type comma at the end. Now we type in the text that we want to written. Notice that we'll have to close the text between inverted commas, and now as you see, only subject 2 is being written in this particular case where there is no match found. This is VLOOKUP used to compare two columns. To become an Excel expert in a few hours, check out the playlists on our channel. If you have liked the video, click like button below. Thank you for watching the video till the end.